Ladies and gentlemen, it's a new week and that means a new installment in the weekly passive income bot portfolio series. Yes sir, let's get this crypto. But before jumping to the first project, you already know, leave me a like, subscribe and comment. Check out my website for exclusive merch and links to all of the projects that I'm invested in. I'm gonna try to keep this video short and sweet, not much rambling, so let's see if I can manage. So the first project that I wanna go over is Prosperity Gem Mining. You should already know this project has been rebranded from Crypto Gem Trading to Crypto Gem Mining because they didn't have the accurate trading license in place, so they just rebranded and relaunched to circumvent more problems. So yeah, initially they launched on the Tron network, so I'm already invested in the Tron version. As you can see, I got 100 USDT deposited and I have earned 21 USDT thus far. Let's get this crypto. So yeah, like I said, this week they launched on the Binance Smart Chain as well, which is very bullish in my opinion, you know, because it's a much bigger user base on the Binance Smart Chain. It's a lower barrier of entry, you know, than having to set up a Tron wallet and bridge all of the tokens, stuff like that. So yeah, also, have I been refunded yet from Crypto Gem Trading? No. I have not. I got an email saying that I have been refunded, but I have not seen any tokens added to my wallet or any USDT. So yeah, I'm guessing that they sent it to the wrong wallet or something. I got a feeling it's gonna be a nightmare to get it sorted out, but hopefully they should have the refund form up on their website in later today or maybe tomorrow, and I'll get that sorted out. But yeah, this is 2% today, daily ROI, and you know, they claim that the revenue is coming from mining. They have been investing in a lot of mining equipment and software and partnering up with different kinds of mining companies and stuff like that. You know, my theory is that this Prosperity Gem Mining is more of a shell company. I don't think you can make 2% a day from mining. I might be wrong though. But yeah, most people would be like, hey, that's super sus, man. But I don't really look at it that way, you know, because for the first version, Crypto Gem Trading, they actually shared all of their trading results, all the trades that they opened and stuff like that. They were 100% transparent with everything, so there is no doubt in my mind that they actually use trading bots, and therefore I'm very comfortable with investing in this project. But of course, what do I know? I'm just a simple little degen crypto YouTuber, and you should never listen to what I'm preaching. And with that being said, let me throw in 100 USDT. And we're in. And next up we have automated USDT Capital. Yeah, there's basically not much to be said about this project. It's basically the same as Prosperity Gem Mining, but with a lower minimum deposit, and they have been audited by George Stamp. Shout out to George, you already know, the DeFi saint himself. Let's get this crypto. Also read through their white paper. You can find that on their website as well. And this is also what I like a lot. Am I able to withdraw my full deposit? Yes, you can. You may request to withdraw your full deposit, but it will take 7 to 14 days to process. Hey man, if I'm able to withdraw my full amount, that's good enough for me. That way, if I find something that I feel is a better alternative, I can withdraw all of the capital from here and move it into that project instead. Let's get this crypto. Next up we have Optimus version 3. So this is on the Polygon network. It's by a YouTuber by the name of DeFi Dude, and it earns you 1% daily passive income through AI trading generated revenue, daily income paid directly to your wallet, meaning you don't need to lock up your tokens or anything like that, and also 0 fees. Let's get this crypto. This is by far the best performing project of them all. We're at $1.59 right now. Man, that's crazy. We were at $1.54 yesterday, so looks like we had a nice pump. Yeah, get the pump. Feels like I'm coming when I get the pump. Yeah. So yeah, basically I'm trying to DCA about $100 every week into this to grow my position, because I believe that this one has some real great potential to do some absolutely stupid numbers, like $5 a token or something like that, something crazy like that. Like, in my eyes, this has really some star potential. What? You're still watching the video? Man, you must be a true friend. You know, most of the people have already tuned out at this point. They can't be serious about this DeFi life, man. No way. So if you're still here, you already know, show me that you like me, hit that like button, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't ever miss out on any of these passive income crypto projects. You already know. Let's get this crypto. And next up we have the best kept secret in DeFi, Hedge Fund AI. Every time I bring up this project I piss a lot of people off, but you know, I'm still earning on the daily. Let's get this crypto. So yeah, this is a crypto passive income trading bot, fully hosted on Telegram. These are basically the tokens that you can invest, and you earn 0.714% per day. You will have to do a KYC for this one, or will you? You will have to contact me for more information on that. Also, I learned this from one of the members, that you don't even have to be invested in this project. You can just sign up to become a member by clicking the link in the description box down below, and yeah, you don't have to be invested to earn any kind of commission, so you can basically just sign up and share the link around if that is something that you like to do. You know, you never know how far you can come by just sharing the link around. So if we have a look at my team, you can see I have 33 total referrals but only 2 active, and this is not a MLM, they only have 3 referral levels, so your totally basic referral system. But yeah, I'm not gonna talk more about this project because it pisses people off. Let's move on. And lastly we got MayoTrade. This one pays out 1.4% daily, and these are basically the tokens that you can invest. So yeah, a couple of weeks ago I made a video on this project, and there were a few people from my group who did their research and came back to me and told me like, hey man, check this, it seems a bit sus, so on and so forth. I contacted the team about it, and I basically got back like a super generic answer letting me know that it's totally safe. They use algorithmic trading bots, so on and so forth. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that this is a Ponzi, the way that they answered me and stuff like that. So yeah, this is 4 months old. So basically when you invest in this project, your funds are locked up for 3 months, and after that you can withdraw them. Your initial deposit, that is. You can withdraw your ROI on a daily basis. And yeah, there has been people that have been able to withdraw their full deposit, but yeah, you will have to do more of your own research to figure out if this is the right time to get into this. I did do a withdrawal of some affiliate income that I got, so I was able to withdraw, which is good. You know, I wouldn't be happy if I couldn't withdraw. That would not be good. So as you can see, this is my withdrawals. Yup. So this is basically our portfolio right now. We got a total weekly dividend income of about $155. Last week we were at 120, so hey, we are definitely making some progress. We had a setback with stable fund, but we'll make it back. Not much progress has been made on the portfolio tracker. I added this portfolio. This is just random numbers, don't mind them. So yeah, this is the thing that I try to do. I want a short with this monthly time frame, but I also want the weekly performance to to display in this. I tried to copy it and paste it here, but the data got screwed up, and yeah, basically yesterday I was playing around with it, trying to get it to work, but I was unable to do so. I'm a total novice when it comes to Excel. I have only used it in university. So if you know how to do this, please hit me up on Telegram. That would be very much appreciated. But yeah, I'm fairly sure I will figure it out if I just sit down and focus on it for a couple of hours. So yeah, hopefully with time we will have like 5 to 10 different pages with different kinds of functions. And when I'm happy with it, I will list it on my website as well, so you can download it from there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I want to thank you all for watching. Like always, none of this has been financial advice. You should always do your own research and never invest more money than you can afford to lose. I'm just a random crypto YouTuber doing random crypto YouTuber things, so you should not listen to me. And also, like the video, subscribe, leave me a comment, check out my Telegram group, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.